What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're a little bit late into the recording of the session, but I have been watching the chart since like around here. And there was a news today. Um, Look at the news. This PMI. As you can see, this PMI news made a really big candle. Let me move this out the way. Pretty big candle. It looked kind of ugly, but now we're seeing highs, lows, highs, lows, and highs being formed. So we will wait for it to disrespect that structure, to shift the structure, and then we will be looking for a retracement into a fair value gap and a continuation down. That's what we are looking for the next 44 minutes. Now, in the meantime, I want to go over this trade on recording because it was pretty stupid. I think it was pretty stupid of me, but I'm gonna break this down. So, I was watching price originally, right? This is in the way, but this was the low that I had marked out for it to be, for it to shift. This is what I was waiting for. And price was here, and I saw these two. If you look at the low value, I'm looking at these the same, right? So they're equal, meaning there was no fractal made, right? Fractal is when something like this, right? You have a low, so you have this point, and then if we're talking about lows, you have this low point, and then two lows of these candles that are higher than this low, right? That's a fractal. And for some reason, I marked this out as a market structure shift. Now, I can say that I just got off work and I was talking with a coworker and on phone calls, but for the most part, it's my fault because I was not focused. So I traded off of this market structure shift and off of this fair value gap. And as you saw by the drawing clearly, that was a loss. Moral of the story is always focus when you're looking at the charts. Yeah. So that was a 1% loss or 1.05, 1.08. Yeah, 1.08% loss. But it is what it is. On to the new trading day. I mean, trading session, because technically it is the same day, just different session. And right now I'm just marking out these fair value gaps that are causing these continuations of structure. There is nothing, no low here being broken, so even though there's a fair value gap, I'm not going to trade that. But if this gets broken, then I will be trading this one. So I will get my phone out just in case, because I take my trades on my phone through the Trade Locker app. If you guys need a broker, there is one in my socials, in my link tree. There goes the alert. That's very loud. Now, there's two fair value gaps. I really don't know which one I would trade, to be quite honest with you. I'm gonna just trade the first one. Or the second one. You know, it's tough. You know what I mean? I honestly do not know. Let's trade the second one. What's the spread? 4 pips. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 5, just for measures. And then it's a sell. Stop loss is above that high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's that? So what's this? Oh, that's 2, 3, 5. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 3, 2 it is. Oh, it closed, so I will set my limit order for this. This market shift. Now we're focusing on these two. I'm trading off of this one. If another fair value gap does get formed here, I'm still gonna stay with this one. That middle one. But now we wait and see. See this. I'm not trading off of that, I'm trading off of this one. And keeping these in mind. It would be nice if I can get another trade on camera. That'd be pretty cool. What's 98 times 2? What's that? 180, no, 196. I mean, 0.98 times 2 is 1.96. What I'm trying to figure out. I think it is. They're almost filled. That can just go a little bit more up. As you can see, it's respecting this fair value gap a lot. If this gets broken, then so let's say this happens. Price breaks down and then there's a fair value gap. I think I'll trade off that one. Based off of previous experiences, you can see they always respect. But we will see. Hopefully I can just get filled in. Because I do feel like winning after that London session loss. It was a very dumb loss. But it's okay. How many pips is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. Come on. Come on. There we go. I got filled in. And that got hit. It's okay if this candle closes above this fair value gap. Because we still have this one that it can respect and then start going down. But we are officially in a trade. Get rid of this. Actually, no. This might be a good example. So let's say this closes above this fair value gap. It may respect this one. But if it closes above this one, we still have this one. And if it closes above this fair value gap, I believe it will be a losing trade because there's no way. But we learn as we go, kind of. I still didn't do that math. What is 0.98 times 2? Yep, 1.96. Yeah, Maybe I should have traded this one. It is what it is. It's a good sign that all three are getting tapped into. It won't be a good sign if all three get closed above because this fair value gap, it closed below it, as well as price closing below this low, signaling a bearish structure after a bullish after these buy stops. Because these buy stops got swept, so that's why I was looking for sells. So now we just sit and wait without looking at the P&L every 10 minutes. I mean, every 2 seconds, because that's bad habits. You don't want to be attached to the money or the result. You just trade and you learn from your trades. Now, if I lose this trade, my lesson would be don't trade when you have these big candles or just these big news events. Because that's what I was thinking about last time. Like when this, I mean, this time when this first candle happened, I'm like, I don't really want to trade this. Then I was seeing this, and I was like, okay, it's fixing itself. So who knows? Because you also have this fair value gap. And I don't know if you guys know anything about the consequent encroachment. Put this metal line. Consequent encroachment is the 50% of a fair value gap, and it's commonly respected. Um, just looking for examples right now. But yeah, I mean, maybe it's just another ICT teaching that I've learned. But yeah, if price closes below this to continue the structure, I'm very comfortable in this trade. And yeah, where this that's how far. Oh, I was gonna say no way. So here's sell stops, and what I'm thinking of doing, closing on 75% of my position, and then riding the rest of it down to these sell stops. So 75% of my position will be a 1 to 2, and then the rest will be 1 to 3.48, just to see what it's like to ride the wave. So if I traded this, I do believe I've already would have been out. Yep. So if you trade off this for Velagat, congratulations, because you did win that 1 to 2. And if you roll the rest of it, that would be a hefty 1 to 7.8. So now we have this fair value gap. And then I'll take away this one, and we'll start labeling my stuff. But yeah, just like this one. Who knows what could happen? I sure don't. I'm just basing my analysis and trades off of a win percentage. Which happens to be quite nice right now. Who knows what it could be in 3 months? You know what I mean? like my own strategy. It left me. It hurt my feelings when it left. It didn't have to do that, but it did. It's tough. It's tough out here. I'm try to predict it. It'll end right. It'll probably go like if price closes below this one. This will also be a continuation, but it also didn't touch these fair value gaps yet, so I'm not surprised if it doesn't go down. I'll try to predict it. So it's probably here. So it should end right there at 1040. Now, if I get this, it will be kind of crazy. We shall see. I don't like these equal lows being formed right here. See that at this L value, same exact thing. Which is also crazy what I did see yesterday. I mean, this morning when I got off of work. There's a lot of equals being made. You know, you have these equal lows. We're looking at the low value and the H value. So if you look at the L value, same. It's the same. You go right here, the high value, it's the same. See that? Here's another example. Oh, why'd that disappear? I don't like that. I don't know why that. Okay. Um, but here was the main, like, whoa. So first you have these highs, these double highs. It's fine, right? 26979. Oh well, okay, those are equal. Oh yeah, they are 26979. Then you have these four equal lows. 1.26961, 1.26961, 1.26961, 1.26961. Isn't that crazy? I've never seen that before. I don't know about you guys. I think it's pretty crazy. Can this candle just hurry up and touch the thing? Anticipation. Will the trade win? Will it lose? I have zero clue. Now, if price closes above here, I will not like that at all. If that happens, that means we lose, theoretically. But I have no idea. Don't know. If we lose, we will be at 2 losses for the week and 1 win. Should have been 2, or it should have been 3 actually. This is the one that I slept through. Sell stops got swept. And now looking for bullish, which happened, trade off this fair value gap, and then boom, 1 to 2. Slept through that one. This one, I recorded. But this one, nope, this one, I watched happen in front of me. And I did not take it for whatever reason. Charles hasn't happened twice. This one right here. But it is what it is, am I right? So through the whole trading strategy, 3 wins, 1 loss. And this one wasn't even the strategy, which is the problem. It wasn't the strategy, it was me taking a dumb trade. It was dumb. So if I were to follow according to plan of the strategy, there was no trade that this morning, between 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. New York time. I did not follow the strategy for this one. This is just me being wrong of my analysis. But if I stuck to the strategy, 3 wins, there's that 1 loss. And now we wait for this one. Look at that. Look how. Now, yes, price went over this fair value gap, but it closed in it, which is fine. It means it's respected until it's not respected. You know what I mean? So now we wait. I don't like that candle. It's okay. I'm also very tired because I did not sleep. I have a few errands to run after this. Whatever this trade decides to do. Still have things to do. If it closes above, see, look, I don't like that it's closing right here. No, that's not good. It's not good. Yeah, this doesn't look like a winning trade today. My analysis was, I tried to predict it, and I was wrong about this exact prediction. Will it win? Who knows? If that candle closes above that, it's not good. Because then it's going to come down here and then continue up. And we can. Could we be testing this again? Another thing I will say. Oh yeah, that close but not. From now on, I will be trading the first fair value gap that's being created. Because if you traded this one, you already won. I would have been out and about, doing my errands. But that did not happen. So I did not take that trade. So I'm adding that to my trading journal. Because right now it does not look like price wants to go down at all. Now looking at the charts and just putting this down in my notes. It's today, July 3rd. July 3rd. Recession. That price is being weird, isn't it? Like, though, if price decides to come back down, it'd be nice to see this get broken. Because maybe this was just a liquidity sweep. Because price did not close above this high. That's the most recent high. So if price closes below this low, then I would just consider that a liquidity sweep. And I am back in good mood. Yep. Still, I'm only risking 1% per trade. I've been hearing people tell me to risk more, but I am waiting for more profits to play with so I can risk more comfortably. Mm. So this fair value gap was disrespected. Turn into an inverse fair value gap. Which I don't know why the line is there. Please close below. I don't like this. Stop playing games with me. I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna get rid of this. But I'm gonna leave this drawing for reference. See? I like this. I like this. Can I send this to the back? Yeah. Now you guys can see my arrows. There's also this fair value gap time to this chart is gonna get really messy today. Just because I'm marking everything, literally everything that I'm looking at. Usually I don't mark it, I just watch it. But for reference for you guys who are learning my strategy, just keep in mind what's going on. Price was, see, I'm gonna go over this section right here. Price respected this for a little bit. First is the fair value gap. Then it closed below, which made it an inverse fair value gap. Oh, boom. So now price has the potential to come back up to it, which is also in this fair value gap. And I don't think, yeah. That middle line that I was talking about earlier, it's like right there. There's also this. fair value gap. You see price is kind of rejecting it. I'm marking out everything for you guys today. Then you have this fair value gap that was respected, but then price closed below it, so now it's being used as an inverse fair value gap. See how price didn't close above it. And now when I look at this one, you see how price came down to and respected a little bit. Now, if this gets broken, then it's going to the moon. But you see this reaction right here? Even if price keeps going up, my point stands that this fair value gap is being reacted, as well as right on the pip of this inverse fair value gap. Now I really don't want this to close because I don't feel like losing 2 times in a row. It's a bad feeling. Who knows? You know what I mean? I sure don't. See, I don't like that. What's the inverse fair value gap? And you see when price came back to the pip, it went back up. You see how it's reacting off of these zones? This isn't looking good, guys. I don't like it. Put this red line right here, because if it goes above the red line, it's bad. It's not good. It's fine. Everything is okay. It's a good learning point. Not to put your entire trading career into one trade. Just because you lose 2 times in a row doesn't make you a bad trader. At the end of the day, you're always going against percentages and that, you know what I mean? Let's get rid of this. I'm just gonna get rid of all this. I'll keep that. I should have just traded that one, but it is what it is. Price might just be consolidating a lot right now. Like going boom, 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 boom. I don't really feel like being in a trade all day either. Like I'm gonna get out because you do have this. What is this? You have FOMC. It's at 2. Okay, then, man. But even if this trade does keep playing out after this time, I'm gonna end the video at 11 New York time because I have to go do some things and I haven't slept tonight. Trying to get some sleep before work. Also get sleep for London session today, or technically tomorrow. Yeah, price looks pretty bullish. See this fair value gap. Like I said, who knows? Price did close above that high. I mean, that high, but it's not the most recent high anymore. So I don't know whether it's a, you know, I really don't know. I do not know. Huh? I don't feel like looking at this to be honest. Hopefully, price keeps continuing down, but I'm only gonna mark things when they happen. Um, yep, I need to cut the door open. No, my last recording of that London session that I won, this one, it was way easier to talk through this because I just got off work. You know, it's hard to wind down after work. But talking right now, with no sleep, it's tough. I have no idea what to say. I don't have an idea to begin with. That's the problem. That's where things get bad. I could get out right now and just be break even. But do I want to? Nope. Well, I do, actually. 'Cause I'd rather be break even than to, you know, lose. Too. But I'm always just thinking, you know what I mean? What if? There's a lot of what ifs in life. What if I took this trade? I would have been out. There's no point in dwelling on it, right? There is a point. Because you learn from things when you dwell on it. But not too long. Dwell on it for like 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, maybe even a minute. As long as you need to learn that lesson. And once the lesson is learned, if I could whistle, I would whistle, but I can't whistle. But like, just it's gone. You know what I mean? Completely gone. Fairy dust, like that one movie. What's he said? I don't know what he said that one time. It's like fairy dust. Um, Wolf of Wall Street. When Jordan Belfort met that guy, the boss of that investment firm. Not the penny stocks one, when he went to the actual investing firm. The big boys. It's fairy dust. Just like this money that I'm gonna lose. Losses are okay. You learn from losses. Wins are also okay. You gain confidence through wins. But never be too addicted to both of them. I mean, more one side than the other. Because it doesn't do anything for you. Long term, it'll mess you up. At least when you're learning something. You know what I mean? After a while, once you're comfortable with whatever you did or whatever you do, you just have straight confidence and you understand the losses that come with it. And I'm not trying to sound like I'm smart or that I know everything, because I definitely don't. I've only been trading for like 2 years and I've only just figured out, like, learned how to be profitable. like I don't know. Um, what was it like? I started showing signs of profitability around 9, 10 months, or no, like 8, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9 months ago. Probably 8, 7. I don't know. But I've only recently been having a good win percentage, I'd say like 2 months ago. So I don't know everything at all. I mean, at all. You know what I mean? I'm just learning. But those little short lessons that I'm giving you guys is just from my experience. Take what you want of it and learn from it. Bring it into your own experience. But my words is not the end all be all at all. So don't ever take them like that. It's always good to have your own experiences. Speaking of experience, I had a good experience at work the other day because I have so many glasses now. I have a lot of sunglasses. Where I work at, there's a lost and found, and when they're there for a prolonged period of time, like a very, very long time, then the people in the office offer them to the workers. And I'm not gonna say what type of glasses I have, but there's one, there's two, there's three, there's four, there's five. And I did need some sunglasses. So I don't write the rules, I just play by them. Can't be mad at me. I was asked if anyone wanted sunglasses. Next thing you know, I got five in my hand. Can't be mad at me. But yeah, they're really nice sunglasses. I like them a lot. I'll be wearing one. Actually, no, I need to clean these. Where's my, oh, here it is. Perfect. Nope, that's not it. I wonder if that works. Is this microfiber? I honestly don't know. Oh, yep, that works. That works very nice, actually. I wish the glasses were a little more tinted, but what can you do? If I traded from that Fair Valley, like I'm still thinking about this. If I had traded again from this Fair Valley gap, I would have been out by now. But it's fine. It's fine. It's whatever. I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this. I don't care about these ones anymore because the high was made. So if price breaks above this high, then we're bullish again, which I won't like. Just need price to, hurry up. Now, if we're down here, price is pretty close. I don't even know if I want to end the video, but look at this, man. This is why you just do things nice, quick, and easy. I'm gonna be on this till the end of the video. I don't care. I would have been out by now. Twice. You know what I mean? Like, Had three opportunities. And I'm really just, focusing on the first one. But, for your guys' sake, you guys could have also, done that. See? You know what I mean? Like, since Price did all of this, I had a small urge, like, hey, let me just get out now. But what would have that been? A 1.5? It's not. I'm gonna go through this one with you guys. We're pretty close. This is about the time. This is about where my mouse was. So, maybe you'll just get to witness this trade with me. I was looking at this 5 minute because there's this candle. I'm gonna take this away from it. See that? Price closed above below this in 3 minutes, which makes sense. Cause boom, it'll do that. Maybe play around for a little bit and then close below this 5 minute low. We'll definitely keep going. But I trade on the 1 minute. Sticking to the 1 minute. Please don't go up. I'm gonna put a magnet right here. Boom. This is what we want. And this is what we have. Wait. Oh, my eyes hurt. I'm looking at a Roth IRA. I don't know how to open one. I don't know where to open one. Her Fidelity was good. General investing, retirement savings, individuals, IRAs, and rollover accounts. Nice. If you tax advantages if you don't make withdrawals before 60. Not sure. Wait, what if I see all accounts? Get started. Roth IRA. Okay, I'm gonna go over this with you guys just because I need something to do. A rollover IRA allows you to consolidate your old 401ks and other workplace retirement accounts throughout your career. You can continue to save for retirement. Save for retirement while your assets grow tax deferred in our IRA account, intended for investors who have earned income and are under age 70 and a half. Save for retirement while your assets grow tax-free in our IRA account intended for investors 18 and older who meet the Roth IRA. What's the difference between... Okay, I learned this before, but I don't remember. Difference between a Roth IRA and a regular IRA. Roth IRA benefits happen on the back end as earnings and withdrawals are not taxed. There's no required distribution, whereas a traditional IRA has required distributions once you reach okay. If you expect, are you already a customer? You know what? No, that's where I was gonna go. Anyway, I'm tripping. I was gonna go to the Fidelity store. Not the store, but the office. They have an office. I need Price to stop playing games with me. Told you I was gonna play around, but it's been more than 3 minutes. A new candle has formed. Oh wait, but nope, it did close. See that? That's good news. We like good news, because good news is obviously good. And if you look at it on the 5 minute, this isn't even a continuation of the structure, it's a market structure shift down on the 5 minute. But it's a tap into this. It's fine. It's perfectly fine. See that? On the 5 minute, that's a market structure shift, which is good news. It's very good news. Unless price, decides to. Every red line is bad. If price closes above a red line today, it's bad. It's not good. So, uh, looking at the very, yep, these are equal. That low and that. Wait, 27625 to what am I? Oh, that really tripped me out. That green. Is there a gap right here? The high of this is 27625. The low of this is 27625. No, it's no good. Okay, another. Okay, we're making some. I don't know. I don't know what to say to you guys, man. Just go down, you know what I mean? This high was made, this low was made. Price goes below, price breaks below this low, that's good. I do want it to break below this low. So I'm gonna put this as green. Green for good, red for bad. Clearly we want price to go to the magnet. Only makes sense. You know what I mean? What do I do, man? What is price doing, man? I don't like these little trends it's making. I'll use this tool because I like it. And I never got to use it so much because I don't trade trends. Where is it? Well, I mean, technically I do trade trends. But no, not a fib. No, not a fib channel. Fib time zone. What is this? What in the world? What am I looking at? Okay, whatever. If you use that to trade, you're crazy. You're different. Nothing like me. I'm nothing like you. I don't know how you do that. Okay, this. See this? Oh, that's okay. Well, forget the fibs. These numbers. There is a trend line. There has to be. Where is it? You guys probably see it, but I'm kind of not good at seeing apparently. What is this? Where is it? Okay, we're just gonna use a rotated triangle. Not a triangle. What? Okay, that works. See this green box? Boom. It's making trends. Oh wait, well that's good. Yeah, this is a little continuation. I'm marking all these to cope. That's what I'm doing. I'm coping. No, this isn't it, man. Where is it? The little trend that I'm gonna be upset, so I found this here. Oh my God. Yep, there it is. This is the one I was looking at. You see these little trends? Oh, I did this wrong. I don't like this. Why can't I draw? But you see what I'm saying. Oh, I could do that. I know it. See the little trends? Boom. And like, boom. Like, it's weird. It's funky. Why you being funky, man? Like, you have these little things here. You know what I mean? But just break down the main one. We're trading in a range right now. I do not enjoy it. Okay. It's no good. Because that's a factor right there. Price looks like it's disrespecting it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Equalize. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? I really don't know why I keep marking these things up. I'm bored. But if this closes above here, it's gonna retrace into this gap. It's gonna shoot up. I'm not a fan of that. See, look at that. Look at that shit. Oh, I gotta edit that. You can cut on YouTube, right? Yeah, you can. Whatever. I'll fix it. Currently not looking at the chart. I'm gonna look at the chart in 10 minutes. I'll start looking at it right now. I rather not know what's going on. But I'd also rather keep this video going. Okay, look at the chart. What is this? I told you. I don't like it, man. This is what gives me issues. And Price does this. This is bad. If price comes down here, I'm getting out. Actually, where's my 1-to-1 at? Here. Price comes down here, I'm out. Because at least I'll be back up from yesterday's stupid loss. Or should I just let it play out? What do I do, man? What do I do? I don't know what to do. Because price does not look bearish anymore, man. It even broke above this high. Ay, ay, ay. I don't know, man. Try to get out now? Nope, I don't know. I'd rather make a little percent than lose a lot of percent. You get what I'm saying? What's it looking like on the 5 minute? Because you know what? I'm gonna just let this play out. I'm letting it play out. I don't care. I don't care. I do care. But I'm gonna show you guys why I just felt a very nice feeling. So, 5 minute structure breakdown. Bullish, bullish. And then market structure shift on the 5 minute. Boom. And where did price go to after it shifted the structure? It went into this fair value gap, and guess what happened? It didn't disrespect it. So if price closes above this line, I'm done. I'm gonna be upset. So enough of the blue and green lines. Actually, nope, we're not done with the green lines and red lines. Go back. Boom, that's red. Boom, that's green. We hold. We're holding. We hold. I took this trade and I'm gonna run it through because I trust in my system. I followed the trading strategy. Now we wait. I don't like this. Honestly, I might just stop looking at the charts. I want to go to sleep. See, this is what I don't like. Look at that bull soup. That closes. I know I said enough with the red and blue lines, red and green lines, but if that closes above this fair value gap in 5 minutes, it's not going to be good. So we wait. Because if that happens, it's not good. Now I know, oh my goodness. Now I know order blocks are respected on higher time frame. I just need this 5 minute candle to not go up. No one watches it at all. Really don't. Just gonna now if price still hasn't hit my take profit by 2 p.m. New York time, which is 1 a.m. I mean 1 p.m. my time. It's not gonna be good. So for that reason, I will set my mm, so technically I'm 5 pips above, so I'm gonna set my alert here, and then I am going to be done with this video. I don't feel like watching. It's not good, man. You gotta set and forget sometimes. In this case, I will forget, and if I lose, I will fall asleep to forget even more. So, thank you for watching this video. This video will be on like 2 weeks. Um, yeah. Have a good day wherever you guys are. Good night, good anything, and make sure you are staying productive. Peace.